When can police enter a fire scene without a warrant? Imagine a fire raging in a building, and emergency responders rushing in to put it out. You might wonder, can they do that without asking for permission first? Well, the answer depends on the situation. When police and fire investigators arrive at a fire scene, they can enter without a warrant mainly because of something called the exigent circumstances exception to the Fourth Amendment. This exception allows warrantless entry when there is an emergency that needs immediate action. In a fire, that emergency is the need to put out the flames and protect everyone nearby. During the initial moments of fighting the fire, police and firefighters can go inside without a warrant. Their main goal is to extinguish the fire and prevent it from spreading or rekindling. This quick action is considered necessary for public safety. Once the fire is out, investigators may stay to figure out what caused it. They can look around and seize evidence that is clearly in plain view without a warrant, but only for a reasonable amount of time right after the emergency. However, once the fire is fully extinguished and the immediate danger has passed, police cannot keep searching or entering without a warrant. They need to get permission from the property owner or obtain a proper warrant from a judge. This could be an administrative warrant for fire cause investigations or a criminal warrant if they suspect arson or another property crime. From a criminal defense point of view, this is important because any evidence collected after the fire is out and without a warrant might be challenged in court. If investigators stay longer than necessary or search areas they shouldn't, that evidence could be thrown out. The law requires that after the emergency ends, any further searches need proper legal approval. So, to sum it up, police can enter a fire scene without a warrant only during the active emergency to fight the fire and keep everyone safe. They can look for evidence in plain sight for a short time after the fire is out. But after that, they need a warrant or owner's consent to continue searching. This helps protect people's Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures. If you're involved in a case related to arson or property crimes, understanding when police can legally enter a fire scene is key to knowing what evidence might be valid or invalid in court.